Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up that describes Orion in the eastern sky after sunset for January 14, 2024. Please see the article that includes diagrams of the events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:16 a.m. Central Standard Time followed by sunset at 4:43 p.m. On winter evenings, the famous constellation Orion the Hunter is visible in the eastern sky after sunset. The pattern is easily identified. 3 stars of nearly equal brightness line up in a short row. They outline his belt. A bright rosy star named Betelgeuse is to the upper left of the belt stars, while bright blue-white Rigel is to the lower right. Betelgeuse marks one of the Hunter's shoulders and Rigel marks a knee. After the Big Dipper, Orion is the next famous celestial pattern introduced to school-aged children. The constellation makes its first entry into the evening sky during November each year. Betelgeuse rose at sunset on January 2 and Rigel was opposite the Sun 2 nights later. Here at mid-January, the constellation is about 20 degrees up in the east-southeast by 1 hour after sunset, and appears farther westward during the night. It is in the south around 5 hours after sunset and before midnight, setting in the west around sunrise. Extend the line the belt stars make upward to the sideways V of Taurus, made by Topaz Aldebaran and the Hyades cluster, and the Pleiades star cluster, resembling a miniature dipper. Following it downward, points toward Sirius that is still below the horizon at this hour. The Dog star rises before 2 hours after sunset tonight. Use a binocular to explore the pattern's wonders. First look at the contrasting star colors, especially Betelgeuse and Rigel. Betelgeuse, meaning the armpit of the white-belted sheep, is rosy, indicating a surface temperature of about 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Betelgeuse is one of the largest stars in the Sun's neighborhood. If Betelgeuse were in the Sun's place, the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars would be inside the star. Shining from a distance of 500 light-years, Betelgeuse is about 25,000 times brighter than the Sun. It is the 7th brightest star visible from the mid-northern latitudes. In contrast, Rigel, Orion's knee, is blue-white, indicating a temperature of 20,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Contrary to the artist's impression of color, blue stars are hotter than red ones. At 900 light-years from Earth, Rigel, the 5th brightest star for mid-northern sky watchers, has an intrinsic brightness of over 90,000 suns. The Orion Nebula, catalogued as MESSI 42, also known simply as M42, is easy to locate through a binocular. Place the belt stars to the upper left in the field of view, the nebula's greenish haze is visible to the lower right. The beautiful reds and blues from the glowing gas are only found in time exposures. Find the season's flagship Orion constellation after sunset. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.